Good morning. I am Jeff from JT's Landscaping. Hope everybody's doing good today. And today's video is, I got a brand new TV for my kids for Christmas. And the box is too big to fit into my garbage bin. So as you can see, I got to take the Bobcat excavator with the thumb on it, right here, hydraulic thumb. I'm going to pick up the box. I'm going to squash the box smaller so I can fit it in my dumpster. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me some thumbs up after. Give me some comments, see if you like it, see what else you want me to do with the mini excavator, what else I can squash. I'm not squashing my Cadillac, sorry. And so please subscribe to our channel, JT's Landscaping. And also we have JT's Comics and Cards, where I show you the best comic books and baseball cards. And please hit the notification bell. Hope you enjoyed the video. There we go. A little cold out. Gotta let it warm up. As you can see, it's a lot smaller now. I can pick it up with the wheelbarrow, throw it in the garbage, and it'll be all set. As you notice, I put the bucket on logs and the tracks in the winter time on boards. So when it does get muddy outside, I learned the hard way on my dump truck with the plow. The plow got stuck in the mud. I picked it up and it broke the frame. You don't want to have these stuck in the mud, because if you start it up and try to move it, you could ruin the tracks, or you get the bucket. Something could happen. We don't want that. So give me some thumbs up. Please leave some comments. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, JT's Landscaping, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Have a great day.